your name, बच्चों? My name is Nikki.
I am Toy.
And my name is Toy. Are you a boy or a girl? I am a girl. I am a boy. Who all are in your family? Sister, brother, mom, dad. Sister, brother, mom, dad, uncle, auntie. Which place do you like to visit? Jutagarh. Haji Ali. Which is your favorite animal? Tiger. Cheetah. What do you like to eat? Burger. Pizza. What is your favorite car? Remote control robot. RC toys. Do you write pen or a pencil? Pen. चलो बच्चों, हमारी क्लास हो गई। बाय बाय बच्चों। बाय।